The clutch pedals on the Chevrolet Spark often snap due to the inaccurate pedal height, which creates a weak point on the pedal. Chevrolet recalled these vehicles and installed a reinforcement bracket. However, these brackets are made of brittle and weak plastic and often snap. X8R have designed an improved clutch pivot bracket made from stainless steel, which is far stronger than the recall bracket. The X8R bracket is precision engineered and will not break or wear down like the original. The X8R kit comes with a fitting kit comprising of bolts, washers, nylock nuts and a cable retaining pin. Please scan the QR kit on the packaging for a full instruction guide.